I think this is one of the most helpful Revit tools that I've ever made. Even though Revit models contain a lot of data, it's sometimes difficult to work with it. So I tried to make that easier and made a small Revit button to copy values between parameters in Revit. So let's jump into Revit. Great, so let's copy some parameters in this model. So I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna select the category. I'm gonna select the furniture category. That's meaning that all the elements in the furniture category are going to set a fixed value. The fixed value is going to be, let me select this one. I'm gonna set offset from host, which is the distance to the floor itself. And I want to set that value to offset from host. Yeah, this is actually a good example. Yeah, it doesn't show offset from host, and that's because to reduce the loading time, we optimize and we do only with one family. So if you don't find the parameter here, you can just click select the item and then click here, and that's gonna update the list. And now we see that it's here. So I can just select it here. And then I'm gonna set, we see that the format is a number, depending on the parameter, the format changes. So I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna set this to 0.5. And that's gonna set 0.5 into all the elements of the furniture category offset from host. And we see that all of them moves, also the TV if I'm not wrong. Yeah, the TV as well. So yeah, that's pretty nice. The cool thing I think is if you have like different, you can also specify different units, say like 1,000 millimeters, and that's gonna convert those into the project units. If you don't specify anything, it's just gonna copy the numbers straight away there. For the furniture is fine, but I want to show also for the walls. So I have prepared a wall schedule here, which has the area, which doesn't always show to the walls, for example. In this case it does show, but sometimes there are parameters that are not shown in the item, in the elements, because they are like hidden or read only or internal. So with this we can see also those, and I'm gonna select the area because I want to copy the value from the area into the comments. And I'm just gonna do that here and then copy value, and that's gonna show all the items. Well, it's gonna update all the parameter values in the items. Actually, I can change the units. If I want this to be shown differently, I can just come into the project units, set this to 2 decimal places maybe, and then okay, and then I need to copy again. So like the values, how they are converted into text, number, or anything like that is going to be based on the project units. So it does also work pretty well now that I think about it with IDs. So I can, for example, set, let me go to level. It should be here actually. Why is it not here? Level, it doesn't have you have like base constraint. Yeah, base constraint is the actual level. I'm gonna copy that into comments. Yeah, and because base constraint is a ID base parameter, if we select it here, we're gonna see ID base. That means that the values that are going to be copied into the comment parameter are going to be IDs of the levels. So we see all the IDs of the different levels. If I instead want to show their names, I can just click on this checkbox and copy value, and that's gonna change the IDs into their actual names. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Yeah, hope you enjoy this small tool, and thanks for watching.